How can private equity firms measure AI ROI across portfolio companies? Private equity firms can measure AI ROI across portfolio companies by using one consistent evaluation method while tying every use case to a company-specific baseline, full cost, and measurable business result. I'm Murray Newlands, partner at IASV Seed Ventures and founder of Open Future Forum. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. The mistake is looking for one AI return number that works across the whole portfolio. A software company, a manufacturer, and a healthcare business do not create value in the same way. The metrics will differ, the discipline should not. I would use 4 rules. 1. Measure the old workflow first. Before the AI goes live, record how long the work takes, what it costs, how many errors occur, and which business metric the workflow affects. Without that baseline, any claim of improvement is guesswork. 2. Count the full cost. Include the software, data preparation, integration, security review, training, maintenance, and human oversight. Pilot pricing rarely represents production economics. 3. Convert capacity into a result. If AI saves 8 minutes on invoice review, ask what the company did with those 8 minutes. Did it process more invoices, close the books faster, catch more errors, or avoid an additional hire? Time saved is capacity. The return appears only when that capacity changes a measurable outcome. 4. Set an owner and a decision date. The business leader responsible for the workflow should own the result. Finance should test the economics. Technology and security should validate the operating cost and controls. Then the company should decide whether to expand, change, or stop the use case on a specific date. At the portfolio level, compare use cases through the same 5 fields: baseline, result, full cost, accountable owner, and decision date. That gives the investment team a common language without pretending every company should use the same metric. The Open Future Forum, private equity executive forum, gives investment and operating leaders a private room to compare these measurement methods, including the costs and failed pilots that do not appear in vendor case studies. Private equity firms measure AI ROI across portfolio companies by applying one disciplined method to different company results. Establish the baseline, count the full cost, convert capacity into value, and name the owner. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. Over 400 events since 2021, bringing together senior executives, founders, and investors. If you want to be considered for an Open Future Forum dinner, find me on LinkedIn. If you want to sponsor one, the same applies. I'm Murray Newlands from Open Future Forum. See you in the next briefing.